All right, guys, I'm about to run down the best way to clean your keyboard. The easiest way, the safe way, I guess you could say. Now there are hard ways to do this that will get the job done, of course, and make it even better. But the easiest way to clean your keyboard in 2021. Now, obviously, you're gonna want to hit that subscribe button because we do come out with content like this that'll help you out with tech, gaming, PC, all that good stuff. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to get your keyboard, of course, right? Now, this keyboard right here, I forget what it's called. It's like the Womer 86 or something like that. Amazon keyboard for like under $100. Definitely a definite keyboard that you want to get. But I'm not sponsoring this keyboard right now. Today, we're talking about cleaning it. Now, this keyboard is, is this a 60% keyboard? I forget how they call it. I've only been in PC gaming for like 2 years now. I still don't know my keyboards, so yeah, don't laugh at me. But yeah, this keyboard right here is considered a smaller type keyboard as opposed to my other keyboard, which is this keyboard right here. This keyboard is pretty much my other keyboard. Now, this keyboard basically has all buttons as opposed to this keyboard. I don't know if you guys notice. It's a lot smaller in comparison. A lot smaller. But as opposed to the differences, this keyboard is a full-size keyboard, meaning it's going to have a lock area, number buttons on the side. These keys over here, the arrow keys, and also the F keys, so like F1, F2, F3, F4, F12, escape keys, stuff like that. This is a full-size keyboard. It's still a gaming keyboard. Now, that being said, I just found a piece of gum on my desk. I'm going to eat it. But that being said, a smaller keyboard is going to have some of that stuff knocked out. Meaning, like I said, the arrow keys, I still have arrow keys, but I don't have number keys on the side. And I don't have F1, F2, F3. I don't have the F keys. I do have an escape button. And everything is pretty much bunched together to make it even smaller, a smaller keyboard, right? This is also a gaming keyboard. It's just smaller. Now, I think they have names for them. They're like 60%, 85% keyboard, whatever. But pretty much to clean a keyboard like this or any other keyboard, you're going to want a tool. Now, this tool is really small. This is basically like a little suction cup. I don't know if you ever had like siblings or like baby siblings, and mommy used to always put the shit up their nose and blow it to get the boogers out, stick it up there, so to say. But yeah, you grab one of these. You can get one off Amazon for like $6, maybe even less than that, depending on where you find it, or the dollar store, whatever. And you're pretty much going to go like this and push all the dirt pretty much out of the keyboard that's in the keyboard. And you can even take the keycaps off, depending on what kind of keyboard you have. Gaming keyboards, you can take the keycaps off, clean them out, whatever. But this pretty much does the job. Like, you don't even need to take the keycaps off. Just boom. Go right in it, hold it up, go like that. And you'll literally see dirt come off on your desk. It's pretty sick, pretty easy hack, easy tip for you guys for your keyboard needs, PC gaming needs, and stuff like that. And you can do the same thing with your mouse as well. Do the same thing. Just put it in the hole. Just that's what she said, and boom, blow away, right? That's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys need any more tips on PC gaming, controller gaming, any console game, whatever, PC tech, whatever. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Hit the like button. It definitely helps me out in the algorithm. I'm trying to be a bigger YouTuber. You know, we can't be small forever, right? And definitely hit that notification bell because, like I said again, we're going to be coming out with content all the time about this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
What the fuck is that?
Bitch, you know you gonna lose. I got one question for you.
Where have your tits gone?
Bitch, this ain't FIFA, you can run. Oh no. But I think I'm about done.
Being nice to you.
Bruh.